You know, that feeling when you're scrolling through self-help videos hoping for a lifeline. Maybe you were on a roll, crushing it at life, and then, bam, life threw you a curveball, or 10. Now you're stuck in a rut so deep it could have its own zip code. Or perhaps it's like never-ending episode of The Walking Dead, but with way more junk food and self-loathing. Your good habits are on life support, and your motivation is MIA. Not so long ago, my life was a symphony of chaos. 0 friends, a bank account that was practically begging for mercy, grades that would make my teachers weep, and a general sense of what's the point? But guess what? Here are 8 effective steps to improve your life.
Step 1. Treat yourself the basic way.
Let's kick things off with the basics, folks. We're talking shower, shampoo, the whole shebang. Channel your inner Beyonce and emerge feeling fresh and fabulous. Brush those pearly whites, slap on some deodorant or perfume if you're feeling fancy. And remember, this is the version of you the world gets to see. Neglecting basic hygiene isn't just gross, it's a one-way ticket to a downward spiral. When you feel clean and fresh, it's like a high five to your self-esteem. Even if your life is a dumpster fire, at least you'll smell like $1,000,000. Step 2. Declutter your crib and your mind. Time to tackle that mountain of clothes on your floor and the science experiment growing in your fridge. A messy environment is like a messy mind, chaotic and overwhelming. Channel your inner Marie Kondo and create a space that sparks joy. Trust me, a clean and organized environment will not only make you feel more put together, but will also attract some good vibes into your life. Remember, a tidy space equals a tidy mind, and that's the first step to unfucking your life.
Step 3. Rediscover the world outside. Ready for a change of scenery? It's time to step outside and reconnect with the world around you. Whether it's a leisurely stroll through the park, a bike ride through your neighborhood, or simply sitting on a bench and soaking up some sunshine, spending time outdoors can work wonders for your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, we humans are meant to move and explore, so let's break free from the indoor routine and embrace the beauty of nature. Step 4. Get moving. Feel amazing. Imagine a magic potion that boosts your mood, sharpens your focus, and leaves you feeling energized and empowered. Well, that potion exists, and it's called exercise. Don't worry, we're not talking about becoming a marathon runner overnight. Start small, find an activity you enjoy, and make it a regular part of your routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Remember, exercise isn't just about physical health. It's about nurturing your overall well-being. So let's lace up those sneakers and discover the transformative power of movement.
Step 5. Get your money game on. It's time to stop letting your finances control you. We all know those sneaky subscriptions. Make a habit of checking your balance daily, and if you spot any surprise charges, don't be afraid to investigate and take action. Remember, knowledge is power. When you're aware of your spending habits, you can make informed choices and take control of your financial future. Step 6. Break free from the digital vortex. Let's face it, our phones and devices can be addictive.
Little devils.
Those constant notifications and endless email subscriptions are like a siren song, luring us into a world of mindless consumption. It's time to reclaim your attention and focus. Turn off those unnecessary notifications, unsubscribe from those tempting email lists, and create some healthy boundaries with your digital devices. Your mind and your wallet will thank you. Step 7. Channel your inner strategist. Even the most successful businesses have a plan, and so should you. Without a roadmap, you're likely to wander aimlessly, never quite reaching your destination. So take some time to define what you truly want in life. Identify the obstacles that might stand in your way, and then create a strategy to overcome them. It doesn't have to be a complex 50-page business plan. Even a simple outline can make a world of difference. Step 8. Action time. You've got your plan, now it's time to put it into motion. Don't let overthinking or fear hold you back. Trust your gut, take that first step, and keep moving forward. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and with each action you take, you'll build confidence, gain clarity, and create a life that's truly yours. So are you ready to unfuck your life and embrace a brighter future? It all starts with taking that first step. You've got this. 8 simple yet powerful steps to help you declutter not just your living space, but your entire life. By taking care of your body, your surroundings, your finances, and your mindset, you'll be well on your way to a more organized, balanced, and empowered version of yourself. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Take it one step at a time, celebrate your wins, and don't be afraid to stumble along the way.
If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and spread the good vibes. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to create a life you love. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep shining.